Hello students, this is Pallav sir and today I will explain question number 11 and 12 of exercise 12.1 ratio and proportion. Now what is there in question number 11? So out of 1800 students in a school, so the total number of students is given, total number of students. Total number of students is given 1800. Okay, now out of 1800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball. Okay, so students plays basketball. So that would be equals to 750. That means out of 1800 students, 750 students plays basketball and students plays cricket. Students plays cricket. That would be equals to what? 800. And remaining plays table tennis. So students plays table tennis. Now we have to find it out. And how to find out? From the total, that is from 1800, we have to subtract the sum of these two numbers, that is 750 plus 800. So that would be equals to 1800, 1550, and it would be 250. So that means only 250 students plays tennis. Okay, so now we have to find out some ratios. So let us see what is there in sum number A of question number 11. So in sum number A, we have to find the ratio of number of students who plays basketball to the number of students who plays table tennis. Okay, now the required ratio. So the required ratio would be equals to students plays basketballs, students plays basketball by students who plays tennis, table tennis to be more precise, table tennis. Now how many students plays basketball? How many students plays basketball? This is basketball, that is equals to 750. So we'll write 750 here. And how many students plays table tennis? It is 250, isn't it? So 250. Now let us reduce it. So let's reduce it. So we'll reduce this two zeros first, then we'll reduce this two number by 5. 5 15s are 5 5s are. Then again 5 1s are 5 3s are. Okay, so the required ratio would be what? 3:1. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number A. Now let's move on to sum number B of question number 11. In sum number B, we have to find out the ratio of number of students who plays cricket to the number of students who plays basketball. Okay, so number B, required ratio would be equals to students plays cricket by students plays cricket by number of students who plays basketball. So students plays basketball. Yes. Now, how many students plays cricket? It is 800 and it is given in the question. And how many students plays basketball? It is also given, and that is 750. Now let's reduce these two numbers. Now first of all, we'll reduce these two zeros. Now these two numbers can be reduced by 5. So it would be 16s, I guess. 5 16s. Okay. And then this is 15s. So I guess 16 by 15 we cannot reduce further. So this would be our required answer. So 16 is to 15. Okay. Now let's do the last sum of question number 11, that is sum number C. And what we have in sum number C. So we have to find out the ratio of number of students who love to play basketball to the total number of students. Okay, now let's do it. So the required ratio, would be what? Equals to students plays basketball, students plays basketball by total number of students, and how many plays basketball? Yes, it is 750. And what is the total number of students? I hope all of you remember, that is 1800, isn't it? 1800. Now let's reduce this. Now, first of all, we reduce these two numbers. Yes. Now let's reduce this with 5. So 5 15s are, and 5 3s are 15, and 36. Okay, now these two numbers can be reduced by 3, I guess. Yes. So 3 5s are 15, and 3 12s are 36. So I guess this is the required ratio. So 5 is to 12 is the answer. Okay, I hope all of you have understood question number 11. Now let's move on to question number 12. Okay, students, now let's see what we have in question number 12. Now, the cost of a dozen pen is rupees 180, and cost of 8 ball pen is rupees 56. That means the information of two things is given. That means cost of dozen pen, this is 12 pen, is rupees 180, and cost of 8 ball pen. Okay, ball pen. The previous one was not ball pen, some different pen, might be gel pen or something, ink pen. Fine. And in the second case, they have given the cost of 8 ball pen is rupees 56. Now what you have to find out is the ratio of cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. Okay. Now see, what is the information given in case 1? In case 1, cost of dozen pen. So cost of dozen pen is given equals to rupees 180. Now we need to find out what is the cost of one pen. So dozen pen means what? What is the meaning of dozen? Dozen means 12, a collection of 12. Okay, so a dozen ball means 12 balls. Collection of dozen bag means 12 bags. Fine. So dozen means 12. So cost of 12 pen is rupees 180. So therefore cost of one pen would be how much? It would be obviously less. So we have to divide 180 by 12. Okay. So that would be equals to, if I divide this with 2, suppose 2 90s are, just a minute, I selected the wrong color. Yes. So it will be 90, and this will be 6. Again, let's divide this with 2 only. So 2 45s are, 2 3s are. Now 3 1s are, 3 15s are. Okay, now the cost of one pen is equals to rupees 15. So cost of one pen is equals to rupees 15. Okay, now let's move on to the next case, case 2. Now in case 2, what we have? in case 2 they have said that the cost of 8 ball pens, okay, not pen, ball pen. So cost of 8 ball pen is equals to rupees 56. Okay, now obviously we have to find out the cost of one ball pen. So cost of one ball pen would be equals to what? Obviously it would be less, so we'll divide 56 with 8 and your required answer would be 7. Now we know the cost of one pen is equals to 15 and cost of one ball pen is equals to 7. Now we need to find out the ratio now. So required ratio now. So required ratio is equals to, what is the ratio that we have to find? Cost of a pen by cost of a ball pen. Cost of a ball pen. So what was the cost of a pen? That means what was cost of one pen? 15. So we'll write 15 here. And what was the cost of a ball pen? It was 7. So we cannot reduce this to numbers. So this would be our required ratio. So how to give your answer? 15 is to 7. Fine. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care everyone.